Hello everyone and welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So for today's video we are doing another robot vacuum video, and this time it's by the same company, ZOOZEE, but they have upgraded their vacuum cleaning robot. More features, better suction, larger battery. So if you guys are interested, there's a link in my video description where you guys can get this. So right away we see that they got the warm welcome with different manuals and different how-to guides in here. We can go ahead and lift this up. This is the mop plate. Go ahead, open that up. There's the mop plate. You got two mops. Now make sure you open everything up to make sure you're not missing anything. We're going to go ahead and open this up. This is the charging dock and dust bin right in here. So right here you can see the dust bin, which is very nice. It looks like it's mostly transparent, so that's really cool. Over here you can see the charging station. And as you can see, if you watch the other video of the other ZOOZEE, this one is upgraded. So it's got a built-in pack right here, so you just plug right in here and you go ahead and close it up. Wow, that's really nice and sleek. It's definitely a better upgrade charging station than before. So here you got the plug, and since we're here, we might as well show you. Go ahead and pull that out. Take our plug, and now you can run the cables down in here if you want. We're going to go ahead and plug this in. And you can run the cable just around here in the groove if you want, or if there's room you could just simply set it right down in here if you're not using that much. So like this. So we'll have to see what length we need to plug in. Okay guys, this is awesome. Look at this. It lifts up. You got your tool to cut off of the blades that spin. You know, if you get dog fur wrapped around there, or string, or hair. Wow. That is so cool. I love it that they put it in here. It gives you detailed instructions: short press, return home, pause, long press, spot cleaning, short press, cleaning, pause, long press, switch on, switch off. And of course in here, so let's take this out because this just shows you how it works and how to use everything. So this is for the mopping. You pour water inside the hole here. You go ahead, press this in, and you should be able to lift it right out. So water goes right in here. I love this. It's like a transparent but tinted. This is really nice. They really upgraded this design. You guys definitely have to check out the link in my video description. You know, if the other one performed really well, this one I am super excited. So let's see, I'm assuming you take this, yes, remove this. Look how nice that is. So this would be just without the mop, and you can tell this is the way the filter would go. So it would go in like that. So this is just for vacuuming, and this is for the mopping. So we can take that out. Take a look underneath there. That's really nice. I like that a lot. And the fact that they put this here, because you know it is easier to lose this or put it in a drawer and forget about it. That's really nice. And then you just drop it down. Look at this. Let's go ahead and show you underneath it. So right here, this is where you would go ahead, take your finger right in here, so lift up a little bit, take your finger, press inward, and this comes right off. And then you can clean your brushes right here, and that's what that tool is for. It's to go along here and cut any hair that collects, or string or rope or anything like that. And then you go ahead and place this inside, line it up. You can spin it to make sure that it's lined up right. Go ahead, push that down, clamp it down, and you're good to go. Even the wheels are upgraded. Very, very nice. Okay, so now that we have this off, there's this other piece in here. Make sure you pull it out of your box. You're going to want this because it has your blades inside. Or your brush, I should say. So to install these is very simple. When you flip this over, make sure that the lid doesn't fall and you don't want to hit it. But look at that. I mean, this is really nice. They definitely upgraded this really, really well. They did a good job designing that. So you get two spare, and you just simply line it up. You can kind of set it on here, turn it until you feel that it's lined up. And then you can apply pressure and press it down, and you got it on. Same with the other side. Line up the square, press down, and you're good to go. Okay, let's go ahead and install. So this is the home base, and this is how it would look for the charging station. Let's go ahead. Alright, we turned it on by pressing and holding the...
Starting up. Please wait for a few seconds. I'm ready.
Oh yeah, you can feel the suction power on this. It's a whole lot better than the other one. So it's headed home.
I am charging. Please wait.
So it's charging. Okay, so now we go ahead and download the app if you want more features and to be able to control it with your phone. So you'll just want to create an account and set everything up. What I recommend doing, if you don't have a password book or anything, make sure you write down your sign up and your information just on this card, that way, and then keep it in a drawer or somewhere with your personal stuff, that way you always have it and you don't forget. And then you'll go through the steps that it tells you within the app. So
Wi-Fi is connected.
Now we're going through the process here. And within the app, it actually maps out where it goes and where it comes from. And then it learns what's in its way. So it's just a smart robot. That way it doesn't keep going the same dumb places or bounce around or hit stuff. It lets you know a whole bunch of different stuff. You can press recharge.
Charging. Please wait.
So there's smart, petition, draw, cleaning, zone, restricted zone, virtual wall, spot cleaning. So now we're upstairs and we can watch the robot go around and clean, and it will learn the area that it's cleaning, and it shows you where it's been and where it's going, shows you where its charging station is. And we can simply go here and press recharge. And then it will head home. So now it's headed to where it thinks the station is at. And as it learns different stuff in its path, it will update it. As you can see, it's headed directly home. So I had to just show this other feature quick here. So as you can see, the green is where it's already gone. You can select which kind of grid you want. But I have to show you something really neat. So if you go under more, and if you select the virtual wall, you can, which we did right here, you see this blue line? So we have steps going down to another room, and we blocked it off by putting a virtual wall, so that way it comes up to the steps, it thinks there's a wall there, and it goes away. Really awesome. This is definitely really awesome. I wish I could give it a higher score than 10 out of 10, which is a 5-star rating. If I could, I would. So it has made not even a full pass, and let's go see what we got in here.
Detected some errors in dust bin. Please check it.
Ooh, some nasty stuff in here. So this wasn't even a full clean. And I'm not gonna lie, I just cleaned, I don't know if you can see all that, I just cleaned, I would say probably 30-40 minutes completely, the floors 100%, before I reviewed this and ran this. And it did that well cleaning, so I'm pretty impressed.